All right, welcome back, and now we're going to do another example, and this one involves a piecewise function. So, and this one involves ice boats. So it says, as we, hold on a sec. So top ice boat racers can attain speeds of up to 5 times the wind speed. Andrew is an intermediate ice boater, though, so he attains speeds equal to only twice the wind speed. Now suppose Andrew takes his ice boat out one morning when a light 5-mile-per-hour breeze has been blowing all morning. As Andrew gets his ice boat set up, though, the wind begins to pick up. During his first half an hour of ice boating, the wind speed increases according to the function given here. Okay. The second half an hour, the last half an hour, the speed of the wind is, his velocity is this. So the wind remains at a steady 15 miles per hour. So this velocity here represents the velocity of the wind, or the wind speed. Now, recalling that Andrew's ice boat travels at twice the wind speed, and assuming he moves in a straight line away from his starting point, how far is Andrew from his starting point after 1 hour? All right, so now, how do we set this up? This is wind speed. His boat travels at twice the wind speed. So, the way we'd set this up is we're going from 0 to 1. And so the integral to represent his total distance would be the integral from 0 to 1. And it would be 2 times v of t dt. So that's the way we set this up from the very start. Now, we have to consider the change in the wind speed after a half an hour. So this is where we're going to split this up into 2 integrals. So this is going to be, the first integral will be from 0 to a half. And that's going to be 2 times 20t plus 5 dt plus 1/2 to 1 at 2 times 15 dt. Okay? Okay, now let's look at this. So I'm going to take the derivative from 0 to a half, or the integral from 0 to a half of what? It's going to be 40t plus 10 dt plus the integral from a half to 1 of 30 dt. Okay, now we've got to find the antiderivatives. So this is going to be what? It's going to be 20t squared plus 10t evaluated from 0 to a half plus, now this is going to be 30t evaluated from a half to 1. Okay? So now, what do I get? Well, here I've got t's in both terms, so at 0, this whole thing is going to be 0. So this is going to be 20 times 1/2 squared plus 10 times a half minus 0 plus 30 So actually I can factor out the 30. So this will be 30 times what? 1 minus a half, right? And now I just have to simplify this. So this is going to be a fourth, so 20 divided by 4 is 5. So I get 5 plus 5 minus 0 plus what? 1 minus a half is a half, so half of 30 is 15. And so the answer is 25. Now what were the units? Miles per hour, right? So the velocity is in miles per hour. So he traveled 25 miles the first hour of ice boating. So he, again, assuming he's going in a straight line away from his starting position, after 1 hour he ends up at 25 miles away from his starting point. Have a great day.